Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Today we are going to talk about why your car AC died. 7 fixes to save your summer fast and cheap by Carhelpout. Local, independent certified mobile mechanic auto car repair service and pre-purchase vehicle inspection who will come or travel to you at any location. Stuck in a sauna on wheels? You're not alone. Today we're revealing the 7 most common reasons your car AC failed and how to fix them fast. Whether you're a rideshare driver, a busy parent, or a road tripper, this is your survival guide. We'll break down what's going wrong under your hood, from simple fixes to complex issues. By the end, you'll know how to talk to your mechanic and avoid getting ripped off. Knowledge is power, and in this case, it's a cool breeze. Let's get started. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. The number 1 reason your AC fails: refrigerant leaks. Refrigerant is the lifeblood of your AC, and the system is sealed. So if it's low, there's a leak. Leaks are often invisible, but pros use UV dye to find them fast. Once found, a pro should replace the faulty part, vacuum out air and moisture, and recharge the system. Don't just top off the refrigerant. Fix the leak first. Look for shops offering same-day service and a warranty. That's how you keep your AC cold for the long haul. Don't sweat it. Get it fixed right. If refrigerant is the blood, the compressor is the heart. When it fails, you get nothing but hot air. Listen for grinding or squealing, or check if the compressor clutch isn't engaging. Replacing a compressor can be pricey, but ask about remanufactured units. They're reliable and cost less. Always get a warranty. A good compressor means reliable cooling. Don't let a dead heart ruin your summer. Sometimes it's not a part, it's the wiring. Fuses, relays, and sensors can all fail and shut down your AC. Check fuses yourself. If it's not obvious, a mechanic can quickly diagnose with the right tools. For fleet vehicles, fast fixes mean less downtime. Don't let a $5 fuse cost you a day's work. Electrical issues are often quick and cheap to fix. Get a pro diagnostic and stay cool. The condenser dumps heat outside, but it gets clogged with dirt and debris. If your AC works on the highway but not in traffic, a dirty condenser is likely. A pro cleaning restores airflow and cooling. Don't forget your cabin air filter. If it's clogged, replace it for better airflow. Both fixes are quick and affordable. Clean parts mean cold air. Simple maintenance. Big difference. Hearing clicking behind the dash. That's likely a failed blend door actuator. This small motor controls airflow direction and temperature. When it fails, you might get stuck with only hot air or cold air or air from the wrong vents. It's usually a quick, inexpensive fix for a mechanic. Test all climate controls when buying a used car to avoid surprises. Listen for clicks and check airflow. Catching this early saves headaches. DIY recharge cans seem easy, but they're risky. They don't fix leaks and can overcharge your system, causing expensive damage. Always have a pro find and fix leaks, then recharge with the right amount. Many shops bundle leak checks and recharges for value. For anyone relying on their car, Pro Service is a must. Don't gamble with your AC. Get it done right the first time. In modern cars, the climate control module is the brain. When it fails, you get weird symptoms, random fan speeds, unresponsive controls. Before replacing it, check for software updates or recalls. Dealers and good shops can reflash the software, often fixing the issue for less. Don't rush to replace expensive parts. Sometimes a reboot is all you need. Smart troubleshooting saves money. There you have it. 7 fixes to beat the heat. Find a trusted shop, ask about warranties, and keep your AC icy. Don't just treat symptoms, fix the root cause. A good mechanic protects your comfort, safety, and your car's value. Now you can walk into any shop with confidence. Smash that like button if this helped, and share your worst AC meltdown below. Thanks for watching. Enjoy that crisp, cold air. You've earned it. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.